तो डायमेंशन फॉर्मूलाज related to electric field. One is the charge Q equal to I into T. Q equal to IT. I equal to होता है Q upon T. So this is 80. Number 2 is electric potential. V equal to W upon Q, work on per unit charge. So this will be ML2 T minus 2 upon 80. So this will be ML2 T minus 3 A minus 1. This is electric potential. Then after you see electric resistance. This is R equal to V over I. V is the potential difference, I is the current. So I am using the direct step. ML2 T minus 3 A minus 1 upon A. So this will be ML2 T minus 3 A minus 2. This is electric resistance. Then resistivity, electrical resistivity, and somehow it is also known as specific resistance. Its symbol is rho. This symbol is known as rho, RHO. Okay, and the formula is R equal to rho L upon A. R equal to rho L upon A. So from here you can obtain rho equal to R A upon L. You can see this is R, so R you can take out from here. This is ML2 T minus 3 A minus 2. And then you see A is the area, L is the length. So this is L2 upon L. So when you cancel the 1L, then your result remains M L3 T minus 3 A minus 2. Am I clear in my words? Am I clear? So you can see the first one is charge, second one is electric potential, third is the electric resistance, fourth is the electric resistivity or resistance. Okay, so these are the four. There are some other quantities also related to the electric and the magnetic quantities. Okay, then you see this was the fourth. Now the fifth is permittivity of free space or medium. जो इलेक्ट्रिकल फोर्स होते हैं ना बच्चों, उसका फॉर्मूला होता है 1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट Q1 Q2 over R square. Here 4 pi is a constant. It is not having any unit. This is permittivity. Its symbol is epsilon naught. So here you have to work out for the dimension of the epsilon naught. So epsilon naught will be taken as 1/4 pi F Q1 Q2 over R square. You can see 4 pi not having any dimension. Q1 Q2 are the coulomb. Okay, so both are having unit. If you frame coulomb square per Newton into meter square. A coulomb is AT, so A2 T2 upon Newton. This is MLT minus 2. This is length, area, length square हो गया L2. This is. Now you see this will be m minus 1 L minus 3, am I clear? T4, sorry, T4 A2. Is this clear? This is permittivity of free space. This is in the condition of the electrostatic. Is this clear? Number 6 is electrical capacitance. Electrical capacitance, this is C. C equal to Q upon V, the charge upon potential. Now, charge is AT. And you see the potential you have worked out. The potential you can take out from here, ML2 T minus 3 A minus 1. This is M L2 T minus 3 A minus 1. So you will be writing this M minus 1 L2 T4 A2. You can see. This is the dimension of the electrical capacitance. Got it? Number 7, strength of electric field. Number 7, strength of electric field. Its symbol is E. E equal to F upon Q, force on per unit charge. So force is ml T minus 2 upon AT. So your result will be ml T minus 3 A minus 1. Number 8 is strength of magnetic field. Strength of magnetic field. If you remember the formula in the class 10th for the force on a current carrying conductor was F equal to BIL. See, strength of electric field symbol is E. Electrical capacitance is symbol C. Permittivity is epsilon naught. Strength of magnetic field, it is having a symbol B. Am I clear in my words? Anandi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anmol, Kshitij, Monica.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Parth, Pratyush.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Amit, Riya, Shivam,
Yes, sir.
Zeva, Yash, Vindeshi, Shruti Prakash, Shresh, Shivendra.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So B is the strength of the magnetic field. So B is F over IL. F is the force. So I am using a direct step, MLT minus 2. I is current A, L is the length. So the dimension, if you write down, this is, what should be the dimension? Someone please tell. M, bata.
E minus 2 A minus 1.
E minus 2 A minus 1. This is the strength of magnetic field. Clear? So these are the 8. This is the strength of magnetic field. So I repeat what I said. I said electrical capacitance. जिस तरह से कैपेसिटेंस होती है आपके किसी कंटेनर की, आपके घर में जो वाटर टैंक रखा है ऊपर, उसकी कैपेसिटी होती है 500 लीटर, वो वाटर कैपेसिटेंस है। इसी तरह से किसी भी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को वर्क करने के लिए एक एनर्जी स्टोरेज डिवाइस की जरूरत पड़ती है, उसको हम कहते हैं कैपेसिटर। उसकी कैपेसिटेंस, उसकी यूनिट होती है Q अपॉन V। इसकी SI यूनिट बच्चों हम लिखते हैं फैराड। माइकल फैराडे नाम के साइंटिस्ट थे जिन्होंने इसको डिस्कवर किया था, थ्योरी को इन्वेंट किया था, पूरी थ्योरी बताई थी, इसलिए इसका नाम है इलेक्ट्रिकल कैपेसिटेंस। आपने ना मोर ओवर टाइम देखा होगा आपके फैन में, कूलर में, एसी में एक ना सिलेंड्रिकल ऑब्जेक्ट लगी होती है, व्हाइट कलर की या ब्लू कलर की, उसको हम कंडेंसर बोलते हैं इलेक्ट्रिशियंस की लैंग्वेज में। वो होता है ये डिवाइस। देन आफ्टर यू सी स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, ठीक है, तो फोर्स चार्ज पर लगेगा, है ना, तो F अपॉन Q, और यहां पर हो जाता है फोर्स ऑन करंट इनटू लेंथ। So both are the same thing, but this is in the case of the electric field and this is in the case of the magnetic field. Got it? Clear? इतनी बात समझ में आई?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Then after you see, there is a term permeability. Its symbol is mu. This is permittivity. तो permittivity का मतलब होता है permit plus vt. How much force can be experienced? That is calculated in the terms of the permittivity. Permeability is the synonym of the permittivity, but it is used in the case of the magnetic field. So it is termed as permeability. Its formula is B equal to mu naught over 4 pi I L upon R square sin theta. So no need to learn the formula. If required, that only learn. Otherwise, you can go for the direct formula. तो mu naught अगर मैं देखूं तो mu naught B into mu naught की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी? mu naught B into 4 pi R square sin theta upon IL. अब B का तो डायमेंशन मैंने यहां कैलकुलेट किया. This is mt minus 2 a minus 1 m t minus 2 a minus 1. This is R meter, so L2. All of you are having the NCERTs now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
The
sir.
NCERT last pages, if you see, there are around 135 dimensions. Okay, तो आपने उनको टाइम के अलाउंग एक एल से कल कैंसिल हो जाएगा. एक दिन में याद नहीं हो पाएंगे, 2 दिन में नहीं हो पाएंगे. A month is less, but you have to go through them. Okay, in the examinations we may ask you any dimension. Clear? This is number 9, permeability. तो अभी तो आपके एग्जामिनेशंस नहीं होंगे, ठीक है, लेकिन जब कभी भी होंगे तो आपसे डायमेंशंस उनमें से वो पेजेस के जो पीछे लिखे हुए हैं उनमें से. आई एम गिविंग द वर्कआउट हिंट फॉर ऑल दीज, एंड दीज ऑल आई मेंशन इन माय शीट आल्सो. ओके, नंबर 10 इज self inductance. Self inductance is L. ठीक है, जनरल इक्वेशन इज E इक्वल टू L di अपॉन dt. ये जो E होता है ना, इसको हम कहते हैं इंड्यूस्ड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. अब पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस तो वही हो गया इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. इट इज हियर, तो यहां से लेकर आएंगे इसको. ओके, एंड L is the symbol for that self inductance. Di means change in current, and dt is change in time. So you can see L equal to E upon di upon dt, है ना. अब E का डायमेंशन पुट करोगे तो E क्या है? इलेक्ट्रिकल पोटेंशियल. यू कैन सी ml2 t minus 3 a minus 1, ml2 t minus 3 a minus 1. This is I di, correct, A, and of course this is upon t, so here I am writing t minus 1. So you see your result will be ml2 t minus 2, check कर लीजिए, t minus 2 a minus 2. So these are the few quantities which are in electrical systems. Got it? Anyone is having the doubt regarding this? Anyone? Any student is having any doubt? Very less number of the people are present today, 23 only, because of the first period. Then you see, I give you the one question. अच्छा, वन इलेक्ट्रिकल पावर, एक पावर भी होती है, फिजिकल क्वांटिटी. दिस इज 10, दिस इज 11. पावर, पावर मीन्स rate of doing work. So this is power work upon time. Work is ml 2 t minus 2 upon pt. So this will be ml 2 t minus 3. Any other physical quantity which you want to discuss here? Anyone?
Sir, what are the dimension of calories?
Dimensions of
Calories.
calories जो है ना, calories, this is heat. Heat is measured in calories.
Okay, sir.
So this will be equal to work done, ml2 t minus 2. Then after, if you say heat, one term is there, is specific heat. Specific heat and the latent heat we have calculated, I think. Na?
Yes, sir.
The displacement constant will have any dimension?
Which constant, beta?
Displacement.
I'm not getting your sound. Please repeat.
The displacement constant.
You please mention in the chat box. Please.
The chart is disabled.
Chat disable. Wait. Okay, now you send. Displacement constant. With a displacement constant, no physical quantity. Displacement is there. Rydberg constant. Its dimension is L minus 1. B is constant. Lambda m into T. This is B is constant, B. Rydberg constant is capital R. So this is, lambda is the wavelength. T is the time. T is the temperature, sorry. So its dimension will be LT. Yes, beta. Priyansh Singh, displacement constant. Priyansh,
Yes.
बेटा इसका कोई फॉर्मूला कहीं पड़ा हुआ है?
Sir, I will send you. I read it somewhere. That's why.
And that's why I'm asking now, what is the formula for this? If you have the formula of it, then we can obtain.
Sir, I will send you. It was written somewhere. I'm not getting it that way.
Okay.
I
Otherwise,
think formula is not given.
Displacement is meter. So this is L.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta. Krish.
Sir, T is temperature or time?
Oh, sorry. T is the temperature, so this is K. This is K. LK. Someone else has sent a message. Electric dipole moment. Anjali Patel. Electrical dipole moment. This is P equal to, P is the symbol for it. This is product of the charge with the length. Q is the charge. L is the length. So what should be the dimension? Q is 80 and this is L. 80L. Okay. Then anyone? Anyone? So meanwhile, I give you the one question to get it. Yesterday, some boy has sent me a question. श्रेष्ठ, आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर आ गया बेटा?
सर मेरा तो वही आ रहा है 10 लीटर।
हाँ, ये प्रियांश ने भी क्वेश्चन भेजा था। प्रियांश, मैं आपका क्वेश्चन देता हूँ अभी। ओके, ये कहते हैं फाइंड आउट डायमेंशन ऑफ A into B in the given equation. This is P equal to A over Bx minus T square upon B. Here, P is the power, X is distance, T is the time. Please work out for it. All of you. You have to find out the dimension of A into B.
सर डन।
This is the question. Please work out for it.
सर हो गया।
हो गया?
सर हो गया सर डन।
What is your
Yes,
answer?
sir.
Please tell.
सर m -1 L -1 T7।
M minus 1 L minus 1 T7.
यस सर।
Okay, let me verify.
सर बुक में T5 लिखा है।
Yes, sir, my answer is also this.
Then it is okay. I'm telling you how to get it. If you see, this is P equal to A upon Bx minus T square upon B. If this is the power, then this should be the power and this should be the power. So, dimension of T square upon B, it must be equal to dimension of power. Am I clear? Now I have to work out for the B. So dimension of B, dimension of 1 upon B लिख रहा हूं मैं ताकि मेरे से गड़बड़ ना हो. This is the dimension of P upon dimension of T square. Am I clear? So dimension of B equal to dimension of T square upon dimension of P. Am I clear in my words? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So this is T2. Because why I go for all these steps? Because I am some conscious, because this is the new exercise for you people. So those who are enough comfortable, they may go in the direct step. Otherwise, you go stepwise. Okay. No need to be in hurry. आप क्विक हो जाइए, लेकिन हरी में डोंट बी हरी. पावर इज ml2 t minus 3. Am I clear? So here you will be getting m minus 1 l minus 2 t5. Is this clear? This is the dimension of B. And when you got the dimension of B, then you can calculate the dimension of A also, because this physical quantity dimension of A upon Bx, it is equal to dimension of power. So dimension of A equal to dimension of P into dimension of Bx. A dimension of P is the power ml2 t minus 3 into dimension of B. The dimension of B is m minus 1 l minus 2 t5. M minus 1 l minus 2 t minus t5 into x. So this will be you getting, because this is m0 and this x is l, sorry, m0 l and this is t2.
L cube T square.
Got it? l cube नहीं, यहाँ पे l minus 3 है ना, देखो यहाँ पे l plus 2, l minus 2, l plus 2, it get balance. Is this, sorry, is this clear?
Yes,
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 sir.
sir.
Now you are finding A into B. So the value of the A is here and the value of the B. The value of the A is M0, L1, T2. And the dimension of the B is M minus 1, L minus 2, T5. Got it? So your result is M minus 1, L minus 1 and T7. Your answer is this much only.
yes, sir.
Okay, that means कोई नहीं.
Okay.
Then one more question a student has sent. Shrestha. I am writing this question here. You all try to get it. In a physical, in a particular system, of measurement, units of length, mass and time are 10 centimeter, 10 gram and 0.1 second. Then find unit of force in this system. Try to get it. This is ARY8SH RH. Is this here? बेटा क्लास में आनंदी बेटा, this much is clear?
Yes, sir.
सर 10 आ रहा है.
10 ना? Someone has sent a message also.
Yes, sir.
When
10
did
आ रहा है.
error today?
सर लेकिन इसका आंसर 0.1 न्यूटन है.
कोई नहीं बेटा, कभी कभार माफ कर दिया करो लोगों को, हो जाता है ऐसा. Its answer is 10 Newton. I'm giving the another question. Anyone is having the doubt in this question, please tell. Can you do it?
No, sir.
मुझे लग रहा है ना बहुत सारे लोग अभी भी ना नींद में हैं. क्यों भाई? निष्कर्ष, मोनिका.
एक्सक्यूज मी सर.
हाँ श्रेष्ठ.
सर इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर मेरा भी 10 न्यूटन आ रहा है, लेकिन जो इंटरनेट पे आंसर दिखा रहा है वो 0.1 न्यूटन आ रहा है काफी सारी वेबसाइट से.
हाँ मैंने भी कल कैलकुलेट किया तो मैंने आपको
बता
बोला
दीजिए।
आंसर 10 दिया. कोई बात नहीं.
सर 10 ही आ रहा है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
ठीक.
ठीक. प्रियांश सिंह हो गया. रवित वर्मा.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा ये बताइए, आप लोग अपने अपने नोट्स मेंटेन कर रहे हैं बच्चों? कॉपी है आपके पास?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
सर
sir.
आप ये वाला क्वेश्चन
Yes,
एक
sir.
बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए.
हाँ जी बेटा,
सर ये वाला क्वेश्चन एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए.
एक बार क्वेश्चन कर दूं मैं पूरा. ठीक है. You see what is said here. इन्होंने कहा है द यूनिट ऑफ द फोर्स. तो यूनिट ऑफ द फोर्स इन सिस्टम इज न्यूटन. इन SI सिस्टम is Newton. तो N1 is 1. Suppose U1 is kilogram meter per second square. When you use the formula N2 equal to N1, M1 upon M2 whole power X, L1 upon L2 whole power Y, T1 upon T2 whole power Z. You can see M1 is given kilogram, M2 is given you how much? 10 gram. L1, अच्छा, the value of the X is 1. You can see L1 is given meter, L2 is given 10 centimeter. The value of the Y is also 1. T1 is given second, T2 is given 0.1 second, Z equal to 1, minus 1, minus 2 sorry. ठीक, ये रहा. तो N2 is N1 is 1. अब M1 कौन है? किलोग्राम. This is gram whole power 1. This is meter upon centimeter whole power 1. This is second. ठीक है, सॉरी यहाँ पर आएगा 10 ग्राम. दोनों चीजें लिखता हुआ चल रहा हूँ. 10 gram, 10 centimeter and 0.1 second whole power minus 2. Am I clear? Any doubt in this? Anyone?
No.
अब you see, one is like this. Kilogram to be converted into the gram. This is 1000 gram upon 10 gram. This is 100 centimeter upon 10 centimeter. And you can revert it. This is 0.1. Second hit there. So 0.1 whole square. Clear? Gram cancel, centimeter cancel. 1 0 is 1 0 cancel. 1 0 here, 1 0 cancel. You are having 100 into 10, and this is 0.1 into 0.1, my dear. So this point is cancelling this. So your answer is 10. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Anyone having a doubt?
No.
Today, 11th A people are having the class at the time. 11th A is having 3rd period and 11th B is having 5th period. Clear? That time, if you people wish to discuss your doubt regarding this chapter, you may discuss your doubt. Or if you wish to continue for the new chapter, you may go for the new chapter also. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
can we do errors
Yes,
in that?
sir.
Anji beta?
Sir, we can do errors in that period.
Definitely we can do error in that class. है ना? तो मैंने आपसे कहा if you are having the doubt, you may discuss the doubt. Otherwise, if you want to discuss the new chapter, we may go for that also. Okay? Clear? So this is the time for the another class. You people join another subject optional period है मेरे ख्याल से. ठीक है चलो. Third period मिलते हैं. Third period 11th है, fifth period 11th B. B for PCB, A for PCM. Okay?